This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a merger. A merger combines two existing companies to form a new company. In this example, we will process the merger of Scottish Investment Trust and JPMorgan Global Growth Income. Scottish Investment Trust shareholders will receive 2.023804 shares in JPMorgan Global Growth Income for every share owned on the record date. The reorganisation was processed on the 31st of August 2022, and the new JPMorgan shares commenced trading at 8 a.m. on the 1st of September 2022. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 33 for merger. Set the record date to the 31st of August 2022 and the ex-date to the 1st of September 2022. Set the new issue ratio to 2.023804 and the old issue ratio to 1. Fractional entitlements will be returned to the client, therefore set the fractional value to false to round down the holding. To return fractional entitlements, set the fractional return value to true. Use the price provided by your clearer to value the fractional entitlements. In this example, we will use the opening price of JPMorgan Global Growth and Income shares on the 1st of September, which was 435 pence. Set the new symbol to JPMorgan Global Growth Income and note that ampersands are not permitted. Add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. In this example, the client bought 1,000 Scottish Investment Trust shares for £8,200. After the merger, that position was reduced to zero and the cost transferred to the JPMorgan Global Growth Income shares. The returned fractional entitlement is considered small cash, as defined by the HMRC. As a result, the cost of the new JPMorgan shares has been decreased by the value of the fractional entitlement, which in turn increases the gain or reduces the loss on disposal.